Today I would like to talk about multi-key indexing in MongoDB. So let's get started. So basically I have populated a collection already, and the collection has items similar to this, where we have a title field which is basically an array, and I have put in a sample couple of books in there, and the owner is the name of the person, and so that's how the document collection is. So let's just get started as to how you would go about taking a look and querying this with indexes. So if I just do find out the indexes on the collection, I can just do this, and there are no special indexes right now. So if I run a special query, for example, I'm just going to run a query where collection is test, and I'm just trying to find out the title where inside the array it matches anything which has 253,000. So if I just run this query, for example, you can see it takes about 0.41 seconds. And let me just change this to something else just to make sure it's not cached or anything. And you can say it also takes 0.1416 seconds. So what we can do is we can add an extra collection in here, index, and the way to add a multi-key index is to just use this command. We'll create index and you name the field, and it should be able to create the index, and it's now creating the index, and it took some time to create the index. So if we can query it again just to see what's in there, you can see it has created this title one index, and that has the information. So one thing you can now do is you can run the same query again, I guess, just to see what it does. And in this case, you can see it took a little bit more longer time to do this. But if I do an exact match, where I'm just looking for something like this, you can see it take almost 0 seconds to come back. So that's the power of indexes. So if you have indexes and you're looking for an exact match for a field inside an array, you'll get pretty much instantaneous results. And you can actually check this by doing an explain on it. And here I'm doing an explain. Here is saying it's using an index scan, and it's a multi-key because it is an array, so it is a multi-key index. There are a lot of things in the index, and you can see that execution wait time is going to be about 0 seconds. So what we can do is we can test the same query again by dropping the index. So let's just see if we can change this command to just do a drop index. So I'm just running the same command to do the drop index. If I just drop the indexes and try to get all the indexes, you get the same thing. And if I do the explain on the same query, for example, here you can see it is going to just run a column scan, so it's not an index scan. And execution time really estimates is about 90 because it was 0 before. So what you can basically do is, if you are looking to find certain things inside an array, you are probably better off doing a multi-key index, and the time savings you get would be awesome. So thank you for watching this short screencast. If you want to know more, you can search the MongoDB site and also go to my website and search for other short videos. Thank you very much.